Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna discuss different scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more clarity on what I'm saying. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report. So I'm gonna explain each and every step what I have done here. So before getting into details of the report, let me explain. So what are the tables I have imported in this report? Okay. So category, customer, date, geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship I have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship is very important in Power BI. Now we'll understand. Click on model tab. So collapse these two. Scroll down a little bit. Now you can see that already I have established the relationship between the dimensions and fact table. For example, if I place the mouse over here, we can see that some kind of color highlighting. It means that based on this product key column, I have established the relationship between the dimension tables and the fact tables. So the filter propagation is here is like one direction to many direction. It means that from the dimension table to the fact table, it is getting filtered. So we'll try to focus in upcoming sessions about a relationship. For timing, we'll try to look into the today's report. So here I have two tables. So what I'm doing here is, so I have year total sales. So each year wise, how many months sales we have. So I'm just concatenating those things. Okay, in 2001 I have sales from July month onwards up to December. So I'm just saying what are the months we have sales. I'm just concatenating by separating comma. Okay, in 2002 we have sales 12 months. In 2003 we have sales. In 2004 we have sales up to July. So likewise, so I have created the measures. But why I have created two? See, these two looks, I'll try to take the snipping. So these two looks, this one, both are look same. Very minor difference between both of the measures. This one, CONCATENATEX and concatenate. So I'm going to explain what is the difference. For example, if you look at it closely here, so the ordering is A to Z. Okay, so A to Z, it's not ordered properly. So that is the reason I have created a separate measure. Based on that, I'm just ordering by January to December. Instead of alphabetical order, I'm just month number wise I'm doing the ordering. July, August, September, October, November, December. Same thing, January up to December. This is also January to December. This is January to July, because we have sales up to July month in 2004. When it comes to 2001, we have sales starting from July month onward. And also we have this card visible. So whatever the slicer we are doing, so based on that I am displaying those date range from date to date, so that easily we can understand. So this is the date range we have seeing the sales and okay. Now I'll go to the actual report. Now we can slice dice data. See, we have December, January, but here December, November, but here November, December, it's in a proper ordering, but it's not. So that is the only difference only. There's no nothing like that. Even you can slice. See, based on slicing, automatically data is getting filtered. So first we will look into this getting this value. What kind of expression I have written, I'll try to show that. Date range, just try to zoom in. So might I have explained different videos same kind of expression. So I think no need any explanation on this, because in last 4 or 5 videos the same thing I am writing to make it visible on the card slicer. Okay, so I'll try to show this one. CONCATENATEX. So based on is filtered here, because why I'm using is filtered means, for example, in total I'm not displaying anything, because I'm intentionally make it blank, because I don't want to see any total values repeating all these months, and so that is the reason I'm just checking whether it is filtered on. If it is filtered by year, so concatenate all the months, what are the months available for that year. If not, make it blank. Okay, so just I'm doing CONCATENATEX filter. So based on values, I'm checking whether sales are blank or not. So and also I'm checking, so maybe if you look at here data in 2001, we have sales from July only, not from January. So that is the reason what are the months we have sales, only taking those months only. If the months doesn't have any sales for a particular year, I'm not including in this report. I'm just ignoring those month sales, months which don't have sales. So like that I'm doing the CONCATENATEX. So I'll try to take one more measure here. If you look at here, how I'm ordering, so basically I'm taking two columns here, month number, month name. By taking the cross join, I'm just taking 2 months. Based on that, I'm filtering what are the months having sales, and finally, so ordering doing by the month number, not month name, right? So I'm doing the order by month number only, not month name. So that is the reason we can able to see the clearly here. So now you can see cross join, take it, so values, month number, month name. So it's like a table expression, this one as a table argument in the filter function, and as an expression I'm just doing that what are the months having the sales, I'm just including those months. If the month doesn't have any sales, just ignoring it. Like that I have written the expression, and finally concatenating this table by taking the month name and by taking the comma separator and by month number ordering. And also here also I'm just doing the filtered, what are the year having any at least one, it's getting filtered, doing this expression, otherwise make it blank. So like that I have written the expression. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos. So please subscribe my channel. If you like videos, share. Thank you so much for watching.